Beautiful sky. And we're cleaning the leaves in the aisle. Very productive. This is the third round and last round of leaves and branches to throw. I'll dump those, and we're done with quart 7, and I'm gonna move on to quart 6. Cleaning quarts one after another. Too many leaves, branches. Autumn is coming. This is where we normally throw the branches, but it's full, so we're gonna throw it in the parking lot today. It's the same. This is our pile for all kind of organic waste. Tree leaves, needles, branches, everything comes here. Alright, I'm gonna dump this. Alright, now straight to Campo, quart 6. Let's go. This way. There's quart number 6. It's a little bit smaller behind the baseline, so people don't usually come here to play because the court condition is not optimal. Today our task is to clean up these grass, these nasty grass. They keep growing up every time we pull them out by the root, and they still grow back out. It's impossible to eliminate them completely. But look at this view. Sunset is gorgeous. All right, let's get to work. I'm gonna put the camera over here. It's really dark. I can't change this. Look at the sky. Whoa. Bruh, look at the sky. Whoa. That's kind of rare. You don't see that kind of sky every day. It's been like 40 minutes. I didn't even clean up this side, and there's more on the other side. It's crazy, man, crazy. We're losing lights. There's no sunlight anymore. Sun's going down. We are going back. We're gonna do something else. Leave this for tomorrow. See you tomorrow, quart 6. Okay, after a day's hard work. Oh, just kidding, not a day's hard work. It's been 3 hours? 3 hours. 3 hours hard work. We're chilling here a little bit, waiting to close the tennis club. It's Just waiting for people to come up from the shower, and then we can close and go home and eat and sleep, edit this video and publish it, and then sleep. That's the plan. Good. This has been episode 1. Very good, very successful. Good stuff. It's way too dark. This camera is not good in low light. Random view.